Hey there, welcome back. So I've got a set of Bose headphones here. I've had these for about 8 or 9 years. You can see they're all muddy here. I wear these outside while I'm doing yard work, weed eating, lawn mowing, whatever. Love them. These are part of the QC Comfort, the QuietComfort headphone series. They have a number of different ones. I think the important thing that I want to point out here is that the earpieces will break down over time and they are replaceable. So you don't have to buy them from Bose. So if you look at this, it's pretty worn out. Looks really gross. Same here. I wore these for hours and hours and hours, sweating in them, and I've replaced them with new ones that are perfect. They're nice and comfortable. I don't know how long they'll hold up because these are the new ones. There are a number of different brands out there. My daughter just replaced hers as well. And there's basically 4 pieces that come in the box. So you have the cups themselves and this little sticky thing that has the left and the right that goes on the inside. And I was able to replace these in about, I would say, 10 to 15 minutes. So they're a little tedious because they just peel right off. They come off super easy. You'd be afraid you're going to break them, but don't be afraid. They just peel right off. And inside the box, there was a QR code that goes to a video on how to replace them. So I'm not going to show you how to replace them because I already have. But all I can say is there's just a little edge around this piece of plastic on the earpiece, and you just kind of work your way around and it clicks right in. This piece just peels off, has a couple pieces of adhesive on it, and they stick right in. So I did these about a week or so ago, and ironically, like a week later, my daughter contacted me and said, "Hey Dad, my earbuds or my earphones are coming apart all over my clothes." I jumped on Amazon, bought her a pair of these AHS, and then over the phone we just did a FaceTime and I talked her through how to replace them. So she's super happy with them as well. And in a couple of weeks we've done this with 2 of them. We've got a couple more pairs that are starting to break down. So purchase with confidence. And again, I would say that the low cost aspect of these is even if they do wear out, you can just keep putting new ones on and keep your headphones going on for years to come. Thanks for watching.